Hello and welcome to this week's episode of Laker Nation Weather. I'm Parker Keyser. Monday, March 6, 2017 will go down in Minnesota history as the earliest recorded tornadoes in the year on record, beating out the previous record by nearly 2 weeks. It was a wild day with plenty of wind, warm temperatures, and then thunderstorms. The National Weather Service performed their surveys and conducted that 2 different tornadoes touched down at nearly the same time. The first tornado touched down in Clarks Grove in southern Minnesota at 5:38 p.m. It was on the ground for a total of 13 minutes, traveling a tad over 12 miles. That tornado was classified as an EF1 with peak wind gusts up to 110 miles per hour. Thankfully, nobody was injured, but many buildings sustained damage with plenty of tree damage along the way. The second tornado touched down in Zimmerman, just north of the Twin Cities Metro. 1 minute later at 5:39 p.m., it was on the ground for 16 minutes, traveling at just under 9 miles. That tornado was also classified as an EF1 with peak winds up to 110 miles per hour. We have some snow to talk about. Yes, snow. I mean, if you remember back to Tuesday morning, there was some snow on the ground. So we went from warm temperatures, snow, wind, now some more snow. We'll detail that in your 7-day forecast coming up right here on Laker Nation Weather. Before we talk about that snow, let's take a look at that storm that we had on our Monday. Now, I focused this one from a radar shot I took on Monday at around 4:51 p.m. Red area here, that was that tornado warning. That one stayed in effect till 5:15 p.m., moving northeast at around 51 miles per hour. So this little white arrow that you see there, that's where the path of that storm was going through. Cokato got hit with it the most. Nothing severely damaged, maybe a couple branches down, but this tornado was radar indicated, so there was no confirm of it actually being on the ground. We did have some on the ground, which we talked about earlier before. So towards the localized area, we didn't really get that big of a tornado outbreak. Some hail, though, that fell out at Home State Bank in Hutch. This one came from Sarah. Not that big, but still could do some damage. Quarter-size hail out in Hutch. Thank you, Sarah, for sending in that picture. And remember, you can always send those pictures in to parker.keyser@weatherbuzzmedia.com, and we'll put them on next week's show. So, taking a look at your weather headlines, though, from sun to storms, then back to the cold. That's been our trend the last couple of days. We did have some snow on the ground on Tuesday morning. I remember waking up and seeing that and wasn't really surprised. We're in Minnesota, so I can't really expect much. Chilly sunshine to start our Friday. Temperatures will be in the single digits to mid-teens, so chilly one for sure. Chances of snow for the early parts of next week, not accumulating until a lot, but still some nuisance snow out there for sure. Your almanac for your Thursday topped up at 30, woke up at 24. Not that big of an increase with all that cloud cover out there. Average is 38 and 22, so above average in the morning, below average at night. Still kind of equals itself out though. Record high is 61 and a record low of 10 below, set back in 2003. So we have been really cold for this time of the year as well. Sunset tonight will be at 6:11. Your weekend planner, here's what we have going on for your weekend. For your Saturday, mid-20s, still staying chilly. Think of where we used to be, you know, those 60s. It's really cold. For our Saturday. Sunday, mostly cloudy skies. Chance of snow after about noon. Temperatures in the upper 20s, so a little bit warmer, but still chilly. Your Friday morning won't be that bad. Plenty of sunshine, lots of sunshine, temperatures in the mid-teens. Your mid-afternoon, again, mostly sunny skies. Lower 20s, so not bad. Then we get to your overnight hours. Mostly cloudy skies, temperatures in the single digits, so frigid for sure. Bundle up if you are planning on going outside. Your 7-day forecast, after we get through these chilly temperatures, chance of snow Sunday night into Monday, another chance of snow on Wednesday. Upper 30s lead into mid-40s for your Thursday, so we are looking at a warming trend to end off next week. We'll have another update coming up next week right here on Laker Nation Weather. Be sure to tune in for that.